Hello, welcome to Treasure Tech, your home of beautiful ideas and practical solutions. I'm Victor Akinremi, Treasure Tech, the brain behind the branded name Treasure Tech. This might be the first time most of you are seeing me feel little on this platform. And today, without wasting much of others, I want to show you or walk you through how to use and create your autoresponders. In the previous video, I've shown you and I've walked you through how to create a WhatsApp link and how to short different links. Not only WhatsApp links alone, you can short different links. I will leave the description below this video. If you haven't watched the video, watch the video. And there are many who have been asking me or saying my advert most of the time, and they said, oh, within the seconds there is an respond, and when they type payment, respond take place. This is what I use. So I make use of this particular app you are saying, which is called the Autoresponder WhatsApp. Okay, though I use the premium version, being a smart entrepreneur, a smart onlinepreneur, I don't limit myself to free apps. I use premium apps. So after the video, if you also want the premium app, I will give it to you. That's where we had a home of beautiful ideas and practical solutions. So let's go straight. Now the first thing you will need is you have to get your your Play Store. You go to your Google Play Store to download this app. Don't forget I said that I'm using the premium version, so there's a paid version which I'm using, but if you want it, I'll share with you. I'll cost you for you. So instead of paying that much, the developer charged you, just pay for a little fee to get the premium app share with me. Okay, so you go to your Google Play Store. You find that on your smartphone. Every smartphone comes with the Google Play Store. So open the Google Play Store. Once you open it, you have this interface, and on the interface, then you search for the word autorespond. You can see WhatsApp. You can see before I finish typing it, you can see the auto response has come up itself. Can you see the word auto respond? So you click on it, it might show to you different auto respond. We have a lot of autoresponders that you can use. Okay, but to me, or for me, these two has actually worked. This is what I'm using right now, but it's too perfect and working for me. And some might decided to use this one is auto reply. Probably in this video I will show you how to use the auto reply. Okay, but today what I'm using right now, you can see currently, can see install. What I'm using is what the autoresponder, and which I'm giving this to you live and direct. So click on it, you click on the autoresponder, and it's open, it's load up. Because I have the app already installed on my phone, so it's just telling me to just open. So in your own case, you have to click here. You see install here, then you download and you install it, and once you install it, you get it installed on your phone. Before I open the app, let me just walk you through something. You can see here it says in-app purchase. That means that this app is a premium app. Okay, you can use the free version, but you might have some limitations. Okay, like I told you, as an onlinepreneur, and an entrepreneur who knows what he's doing. I don't limit myself or my business to free things. Okay, even in Freetown, nothing is free. So to get the best out of something or out of life, you have to pay for it. Okay, so that is that. Let's walk through and let's see some of what this app has and what it can do, and let's see people's review about it, why I also chose it to be one of the best apps that I have been using for my auto respond. You can see you have this. You can take your time to walk through to see all those things. You can walk through yourself. You can see 5-star. The developer is very responsive. The application and its new features are taking messaging to a new level. You can see this is on the 5th, even this month. Wow, someone just sent a message. Review. You can see different reviews, and they will also reply you if you have any. I purchased this app in December 2028 at $9.99. Can you see someone just purchased that too? So when I tell you it is a paid app, I was joking. So smart entrepreneurs don't just wait. And this is it. But to me, I've never had any issues. To sincere, I don't have any issues. So let's just look at some things. Let me see some things here. Let me see. I think I want to check something. I want to check something before we go straight into the app. Yeah, I think I saw where they showed the amount. Okay, let's see. Yeah, just take your time to save our time. Take your time to walk through. Okay, walk through the. Can you see the features? These are the features, what it has, features and advantages. Auto replies to WhatsApp. Because it works with both your WhatsApp and a business WhatsApp. Okay, like for me, I always tell you have both the WhatsApp and the business WhatsApp. So this particular responder work with either you're using a WhatsApp, the number one, or the business WhatsApp. It works with the two, so you are good to go with it. Individual customizable. Many automations tools including can you say react to all messages when you are busy, send replies to specific messages, welcome messages to new chats. A lot of, just take your time to read through. Okay, download now for free, then create the best experience for your contact. These are things you will see in it. Okay, you can see the price import what the one I have. This is this plan, the premium plan, which is this price. So we need 9,500, almost 10,000 package. That is what I'm giving to you for free if you just chat me, comment below the video, share this video, like this video, then send a message to me on WhatsApp with the link I will drop below the video. Then I want to give you this premium app. Not even 5,000, not even 2,000, don't measure price. Something very reasonable we can just go away with to get this premium app and just begin to use the premium version of it. So that is all about the walkthrough about the applications. Now let's really go to it to save our time. I don't want to exceed much time on this video. Okay, now you click on open. So can you see I have it already here open? Can you see here shows I'm on a premium plan? Can you see the premium mark shows I'm a premium plan? Okay, so now this is what it can do for you. Can you see autoresponder for WhatsApp version 2.04? You have rules, you can check the rules, you see the rules there. Okay, I already have some message sets down here. You can see this is for the advert which I run on Facebook. I'll show you these messages and how I've gotten them. You can see I said when a message comes in, this is rule 1. We have different rules. It's work with rules. Now the first one is, on Facebook, when you click on any of the sponsored ads, you say this, I saw this on Facebook, so I have tagged this rule to be this. So when any message landed on my WhatsApp, with this information, I saw this on Facebook. This is the exact message. Let me take my picture up. This is the exact, let's say, exact match. Once there's a match for this word, you can use similar match. That means if the person tried to add other informations to this particular customized message, probably like I have someone in my WhatsApp like that who had it. Yes, apart from I saw this on Facebook, he now put his name and he said I want to make payment. You can see that it has gone against the exact match. So such person will not receive the auto response because it has gone against the exact match. But if it's to be on similar match or pattern match, so that means anything that needs to do where there's any information that this particular keywords are featured in, they will get this reply. So that is that about it. So you should have known. I've taught you in the WhatsApp, the massive WhatsApp views to maximize sales, how to write sales copy, how to write swap files, how to write this kind of messages. So this is not a kind of a problem for you guys again. And if you haven't gotten that training, chat me up and let me give you the ebook. So then after you created your message, you can see I've customized my message. Welcome to Trade Your Tech. Again, I love to use some emojis. Make sure you save my contact and tell me what to save yours with. That's the first thing, my first line. Then I begin to now explain or talk about the products that make them to land into my WhatsApp that they need to reply to. Why this thing is very important is by the time you run advert and your advert is converting, sometimes you are sleeping and just leave your phone, leave your data on, and the other thing is taking place. It's working itself. So people sometimes I got messages in the middle of the night. Probably when I'm praying, after my prayer, let me just check, and I just see some messages loading in my phone. I was like, wow, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. You can imagine people like that will not have that patience because they want you to reply to them. For them to have come to your WhatsApp shows that they have interest in that product. Like I told you in the direct traffic from Facebook to WhatsApp training. For them to have come to your WhatsApp shows that they have interest in your product. So they need an immediate response, immediate reply. So how do you get across this bridge? Is by using the words an autoresponder. Okay, if you're just starting up, you're getting two converts, 2 messages, you might not be bothered about having an autorespond. But by the time you're having multiple, like 5-10 people coming to your WhatsApp day in, day out, but the more you run adverts on Facebook, the more you're getting known, the more you are getting annoying to the masses, to the platform. So people are getting to know you the more, and the more they're getting to know about you, the more you're going to get traffic to your WhatsApp. So definitely you need a responder that will reply to them, either you are there or you're not there. And the beauty of this particular responder is that even while you are working on other applications, other things, the autoresponder does the whole thing immediately. You can see, you say, like here I said after they read through the whole story, the whole thing, and I said to make payment and complete your purchase, type payment. Once they type the word payment, the next message will respond to them immediately. So that is the beauty of this WhatsApp responder. Now you can see multiple replies. Is it just once or all or randomly? So it's just once, because once they land into my page once, they get that message once, not often and often. So you can decide to have processed messages with dialogue, whatever you use, contact with web servers, depending on whatever you want to use. So different options. You can delay it. I don't delay it immediately. Once the message comes to my WhatsApp, bam, immediately you get the message, bam. So I don't delay it. You can delay the second, that is seconds, minutes. You want to have it so time delay, you can delay it. Just take your time to walk through the whole thing. It's very, very useful. Can you see? Wait X seconds before sending a reply after the rules is triggered. Randomly selected a delay between minutes and max. set the same value for both to get a constant delay. So if you want to, maybe you wanted to reply to get a reply after 15 seconds they got to your message, 10 minutes, depending on you. But for me, immediately they got to my WhatsApp, before they even turn off the data or they leave the page, they got the reply. So that shows a business person. Now you have receivers. Is it individual? Is it a group? Is it both? That's why sometimes in a group, when I'm having a group and probably I'm driving and I'm having a training and I ask questions, I will have set my autoresponders. So once you type a particular message in that group, there will be a response that you just take that it just come like that. Probably you thought I've typed this somewhere. It is the work of the autoresponders that does that. So that is what we can use it for too, either for the individual, for the group, for both individual and both for the group. You can choose that. Now specific contacts, you can set to choose people you want to receive the message, either people that are in your contact, people that you save their contact, people that are new to you. To me, it is everybody, because sometimes those in your contact might see your advert and click the same link too. So what happens? They get the same response too. So I leave it to the general. Then ignore contact. Nobody I'm ignoring. I don't have any scam business, so I'm not ignoring anybody. That sounds somehow okay. Now conditions. Did you want to reply to some specific conditions? Reply only at specific times in days. So it depends on how you want it. Okay, but for me, there's no condition. Okay, there's no rules, there's no condition. It just goes. And once you are done with that, then you click on this button, this check button here. Then that means that rule 1 is sorted out. That's the first rule. Okay, now for me, the second rule is what? My payment. You can see here. Can you see the second rule? Can you see rule 2? So the second rule. So I have all this there. You can see the same thing. Say similar match. When some might type payment, give me the account payment. So once it said the word payment in the circle of that message, it reply to them with the bank details they can send. Same thing happens to the information, like I explained in the first rules. Same thing goes to it. I don't give a specific time or condition. It goes immediately. So that is that about how to use the WhatsApp or the autoresponder. So once you are done, you click on the check button and that rule is perfected. Then if you want to create another rule, just click on that plus sign. Yours will be blank in the first place, so click on the plus sign, go back again, click on the plus sign, and you see the rules. Then you put in the keyword you want to. Let's say now I want to say, let's say from this message now, from this video now, those that want to type I want the premium auto responder. Can you see? So now if I use exact match, okay, that means that those that will type I want the premium autoresponder will get my message. Okay, but some might decide to, it might come with some other messages, so I'll just put it in similar match. So once this phrase is part of the messages that lands to my WhatsApp, definitely you'll get the message that will reply to you. Okay, let me say, okay, to get this is just an example, to get the WhatsApp, because the WhatsApp, we had the Facebook one too, the WhatsApp auto responder, make the payments to the account details below. After that, send in the screenshot, the payment screenshots. Can you see? So anyone that typed this particular informations now will get this response. Then I can put my account details, blah blah. This is just an example. I'm not going to use this one for particular sale per se, but just for you to see how to create your own autoresponder time. Okay, fine. So then after that, then don't forget it is just once. You get it once. So then even if once you got my WhatsApp and the message has come and you got replied once, if it come again, it won't come because just once for you. That's why I made that once. Okay, then the minute, like I told you, I don't specify, I don't delay, I don't give conditions. So as for me, then I do what I do, I check. So can you see? So I have rule. If you look at it now, I have 1, 2, 3 rules now. So anyone that types, can you see? I make sure that the button here is check. Can you see? Make sure the button here is check. Then it will ask for you to once you download the app, actually follow the procedures. It will ask you to go to the settings to allow the autoresponder to work with your smartphone and to work on the background, because the background app, even when you're not on the app, once you close the app and the message comes in, it will show that it will tell you that you have a message and it will reply to. Let me see if I have some that it has replied to in these 2 days. Let me see if I have some here so I can show you how effective it is. Don't worry, you can't scam. You can't get my details with this. Okay, you can see. You can look at this place. It said autoresponder for WhatsApp. Hello, I am your autoresponder waiting for a new message. Can you see? Because it is on. So any message that comes in, it's reply. Either I'm there, I'm not there. Either my phone is there with me or not. So once the data is on, then it's working at the background. So that is how the autoresponders work. So thank you for trusting Trader Tech. Thank you for being part of this short video. Thank you for taking all our trainings. Thank you for subscribing to all our subscribers. Our returning subscriber, we appreciate you. We thank you. Thank you. Please help us to grow. If you love Trader Tech, let Trader Tech grow. We need to grow together so I can able to deliver to you more free trainings, more free informations that will help your business to grow. Before you go, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell icon. Let me show you what I mean by that. Subscribe. Okay, so this is how to subscribe and sign up to a YouTube channel. So this is the particular video I'm talking about. So I will leave the description below this video so you can also have access to it, and you can also watch it and learn how to create your own WhatsApp link and create short link. Okay, now this is, you click on the video just like the video you are watching right now. Then this is how to subscribe. You click on the bell icon.
Welcome once again. This is Trader Tech. Yeah.
So you click on this subscription button. Click on subscription button. Subscribe. Then when you click on subscribe button, the bell will pop up beside it. Then once you subscribe, there will be a bell beside it. Then click on that bell to click on all. Then that will make you to have access to notifications whenever we upload different videos. So thank you for being part of this training. Don't forget, we remain your home of beautiful ideas and practical solutions. Trader Tech, we love you and do have a wonderful time. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment below the video. I want the autoresponder. Then you click on the WhatsApp links, then get to my DM and I'll give you the WhatsApp autoresponder just for your token. You can see the price I got it, that I paid for it, but because you are my subscribers, because you subscribe to my channel, you get this for just a peanut. Trust me. So those of you that have taken my WhatsApp advertising system can testify that we use premium apps all through, and it has really helped a lot of people's businesses. Yes, we have testimony for that. So thank you. I'll drop some descriptions below this video, and the links to download those of you that want to download from the Google Play Store. I'll drop the link there so you can get the link from Google Play Store if that's what you want. And those of you that want to get the premium apps from me instead of paying heavily to developers, you use the WhatsApp link to chat me up and we finish up the deal. Thank you. Don't forget, subscribe, like the video, comment below the video. I want the autoresponder. Then click on the bell icon, click it to all to get notified whenever I upload different videos. Love you all.